Hey, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you have not been here before, my name is Ayla, also known as aka. Welcome to another video. 2020 has been a year and I didn't really plan to do this video. I was just thinking about it before and I thought, you know what, let's just jump on the camera and make a little video. This is more for me than anybody else. So if you're watching this and you're going, why is she telling me this? It's kind of like, it's more for me to look back on next year. But just if anybody's interested, I wanted to film a little video about basically my 2021 manifestations. And what I mean by that is I don't want to go into the new year with resolutions as such. You know, we all do the classic thing, get healthier, get fitter, but like just the classic like resolution type thing, which I don't think is very productive now that I've like done a little bit more research about it. I've done a bit of research on manifestation and sort of around the idea that what you believe is yours, you will attract. So it's like the law of attraction, the law of manifestation. So what I wanted to do today as something a little bit different, and I'm testing this out for myself as well because I haven't really done this before, is to go through my 2021 manifestations. I did write these up really quickly, so there might be more that come into my mind and that sort of thing, but for now I wanted to go through. So they are in the format of manifestation, so saying I have these things, basically what I'm trying to attract. So not saying I will do this, I will do that. It's more like I have this, this is now sort of thing. So I'm just gonna get started. I have 8 at the moment. There's probably more that I haven't thought of, but I also don't think, oh my god, that's gonna annoy me that that's been there the entire time so far. What is that? I'm sure that would have been annoying some of you as much as it was annoying me just then when I saw that. Anyway, let's move on. Number 1, I have 8, again as I said, I have 8 manifestations. There's probably more, but I don't think this is something that like if I haven't said these by midnight, they're not gonna happen. Like, it's manifestation, you're constantly saying them, you're constantly thinking them, and that's how you attract them to you. So I'm just gonna get started. The number 1 manifestation that I have is I believe in myself and my abilities. Now, I refer to this in terms of my design capabilities, my creativity capabilities, my just endeavors in life, just believing in them. So I believe in myself and my abilities this year because it's something I don't always do. So I believe in myself and I believe in my capabilities. Number 2 is I have a healthy balance in my life between the enjoyment of food and nutrition. Nutrition is something that I really neglect. I really neglect my body, and I know that sounds awful, but I eat what I want when I want, and I've always been of the mind that it's just like you should just listen to what your body wants, which is true, but you do also have to feed your body good nutritious things. So my manifestation, my second manifestation, is that I have a healthy balance in my life between the enjoyment of food and listening to what I crave and nutrition and looking after my body that way. Coming into the third one, it's also a similar one, which is I have a healthy balance in my life between exercise and relaxation. Some days I'm tired and I think I just want to relax, but we do have to take care of our bodies in this world, and I have not been doing that. So number 4 is I have been accepted into the QUT Bachelor of Design, majoring in fashion. I'm not sure what my minor will be yet, but I'm tossing up between Mandarin and something that will complement the fashion element of the course. I have been accepted into the Bachelor of Design at QUT, which is in Brisbane, Australia, majoring in fashion. That is my 4th manifestation. My 5th is that I remain consistent in my Duolingo and have a strong understanding of Mandarin as a language, of simplified Mandarin. I currently have studied Chinese for a few years in high school, but obviously that's not continuous, it's like a few lessons a week sort of thing. I went to China in 2017 for 2 weeks, which was very amazing, and I did take a couple of years off from any revisional learning, but in the past year I actually have about a 210-day streak on Duolingo, which I know is not something that's going to make me fluent, but it is just something to keep up my understanding, learn new words and phrases. Yeah, that's something that I really want to continue with. So I am consistent in my Duolingo and have a strong understanding of Mandarin Chinese. My next one that I have, number 6, is that I am confident in my skin and take confident pictures consistently for my Instagram. Now this is something I have struggled with because in order to take these kind of pictures you need to stand in places in public where there's people walking past and they always give you funny looks and this sort of thing, but at the end of the day you're never going to see those people again, so I do need to sort of just like get in my head about it a little bit, because if I want to like have a good YouTube channel and have a good Instagram to like complement that, I need to take nice pictures, and that can't happen when I'm always taking them at home. So I am confident in my skin and take confident pictures for my Instagram. That is my 6th manifestation. My 7th manifestation is that I have an expanded sense of creativity and inspiration. What I mean by this is I'm not very good at taking inspiration from everything that I see in life. I want to take inspiration from art, from music, from daily life, from everything that I see around me, and that's something that I don't do at the moment. So yes, that is my 7th manifestation. I have an expanded sense of creativity and inspiration. And my 8th manifestation, so this is my 8th and last manifestation that I have like thought of previously to filming this video. Obviously there might be more, but this is my 8th and last one. And that is that my anxiety does not hold me back. It has done this a lot in the past. I often don't go places, I don't go meet up with people, I make excuses because I'm always so anxious to go places I'm not used to go places by myself. All of this, which is especially even more anxiety inducing in a big city that I'm not super familiar with. I have been here for nearly a year, but it's been coronavirus lockdowns the entire time, so it hasn't given me much opportunity to push myself out of my shell. So my anxiety does not hold me back. So those are my 8 manifestations. I'm just going to run through them again for you and for myself, so that I can look back on these in a year's time and see if I did attract these to my life. 1, I believe in myself and my abilities. 2, I have a healthy balance in my life between the enjoyment of food and nutrition. Number 3, I have a healthy balance in my life between exercise and relaxation. Number 4, I have been offered a place in the QUT Bachelor of Design majoring in fashion, and I've chosen my minor. Number 5, I'm consistent in my Duolingo and have a strong Mandarin understanding. Number 6, I am confident in my skin and take confident pictures for Instagram. Number 7, I have an expanded sense of creativity and inspiration. And number 8, my anxiety does not hold me back. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's not really for you, it's more for me, but if you did watch it all the way through, I hope you kind of got a sense of what 2021 is going to look like for me, hopefully. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the manifestations. I hope you've done your manifestations, or your, you know, if you do New Year's resolutions, if you've done those for the new year. But I just hope we're all heading into 2021 trying to improve ourselves in some capacity. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and comment below, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm still trying to get to 100. I have 84 as of right now, heading into the new year, and I'm super proud of that. It's a lot more than I had before I started, so it is improvement and we are slowly getting there, and I am super proud of that. So Happy New Year's to everybody, and see you next year.